A little homemade exhaust, straight copper, straight pipe, open in the front, and for the gasoline to drip out, a little hole in the bottom. It's pretty loud. First time I'm trying it right now, so you guys get to hear it with me. It's kind of hot right now. See that I'm taking that. See, just all straight copper pipe. Put a little, makes it smaller right here. Okay. Put one hole there for this, for the fuel line. Then I put another one just in case, you know how a lot of gas gets in your muffler for it to drip out. And I cut some holes in there for that little clip right here. You can hold on to your muffler so it don't be doing this. So it don't be dangling down. So it don't be dangling down like that. See? So I have a little hook here. I gotta find the hole. See, gotta line it up. And put it in. See? And you put it in.